Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WAN error 140. So this is the connection error, and here are a few steps you can try to fix the issue. Obviously, the first one being, you simply close out the Riot client first, and then restart the game, and then check if that helps somehow. After close it fully, you simply reopen it, and then relaunch the game. Now, if that doesn't help, also what you want to do is check if there's any Windows updates. You go to check for updates and then make sure you're up to date. As you can see, I'm not, but you might not be also. And you make sure to install those. And also what you want to do is head over to AMD or NVIDIA, whichever GPU you're using. Go to drivers and then make sure to install the latest driver that could fix your game and make it more stable. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is head over to search, type in add or remove programs. Once in here, type in Riot and then delete Riot Vanguard first. After you uninstall Riot Vanguard, do same with the Valorant. After you uninstall Valorant, simply relaunch the Riot client. After the client loads, you go to Valorant and then click here. It will say install, and you simply install the game. And after the game downloads, it will install Riot Vanguard again. And once you do that, you simply restart your PC and then check if that works. Now, if that doesn't work, here are two more steps you can try. First one being go to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall, head over to allow an app or a feature, click change settings, click allow another app, and then click browse. And once you're in here, go to local disk C, program files, scroll down till you find Riot Vanguard, and then add VGC. It says Vanguard user mode service. Click add. I already have it, but for you it will add. As you can see, it's here, and make sure it's ticked for both public and private, and you do the same with Riot Client and Valorant. So go now to Riot Games, Riot Client Services, and then add. And you do the same with Valorant, but it's slightly different path. So Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Windows 64, and then Valorant to Windows 64 shipping. Click open, click add. As you can see, I already have it here. And once you've done that, this is the last thing you want to do. Is if this last thing doesn't help, there's nothing else you can do other than contacting Riot support, and hopefully they'll be able to help you. So you go to search, type in run. Once you open run, type in this message, services.msc, click OK. After you open this window, click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it. This will say manual. You want to switch it to automatic, not delayed start, just automatic. Click apply. You can start it and then OK and close it. Now, what you want to do is go to search, type in system configuration, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll down till you find VGC. Make sure it's ticked here. And if it says running or stopped, it's fine. If it says disabled, then you have to enable it. And after you confirm that, you simply restart your PC and your game should work normally. If that somehow didn't help, you can always contact Riot support, send them a ticket, and hopefully they should be able to help you. Like, subscribe, comment down below. That's how you fix WAN error 140. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.